Hey folks, are you struggling with PDF editing? You've probably tried tools like Adobe Acrobat, PDF Element, or PDNO PDF Editor, all paid subscriptions that drain your wallet month after month. But what if I told you there's a completely free tool that does it all? No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just powerful PDF editing at your fingertips. From merging and converting to OCR and digital signatures, this tool handles everything Adobe does, but without costing you a dime. Curious? Stay till the end to see this game changer in action. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching gurrutechsolutions. To get started, simply click the official link provided in the description below. This will take you directly to the official website for this product. OnlyOffice is an outstanding tool that lets you edit Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, Excel spreadsheets, and even PDF files, all completely free of charge. One of its best features is its cross-platform compatibility. You can use it on a variety of devices, so just pick the version that suits your needs. For this demonstration, I'll be using the Windows version. Once you've downloaded and installed OnlyOffice, you'll see its main dashboard. Here, you can access tools for editing Word documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDFs. In today's video, we'll focus specifically on how to use OnlyOffice to edit PDF documents for free. Under the Templates section, you'll find a range of pre-made templates that make editing PDFs even easier. For example, if you have a license agreement to fill out, you can simply select the relevant template and input your information directly. There are also templates for job applications, invoices, and many other common documents. These templates are designed to save you time and ensure your documents look professional. Let's see how to edit an existing PDF. I'll open a sample PDF, an essay about AI and human thinking, roughly 500 words long. As you can see, the document is quite comprehensive. First, OnlyOffice provides intuitive navigation tools. You can zoom in and out, fit the PDF to the width of your screen, or view entire pages at once. This makes it easy to read and navigate even lengthy documents. To start editing, simply click the Edit PDF button. Now you can select any part of the document and access a variety of editing options. You can make text bold, italic, or underlined, highlight sections, change text color, and more. Font type and size are fully customizable, and you can switch between sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, and other text formats. Unlike many other PDF editors that require a paid upgrade for these features, OnlyOffice offers them completely free. You can also adjust line spacing, insert blank pages anywhere in your document, or delete pages as needed. If you want to add text boxes, you can do so in both horizontal and vertical orientations. Adding images is simple. Just upload a file or provide a URL. You can also insert shapes, tables, and even smart art graphics to visually organize information. For example, you might add a process diagram or a cycle chart to illustrate your ideas. Charts are fully supported as well. If you want to include a pie chart, just select the chart type, input your data, and customize the appearance. You can edit titles, add data labels, and update the chart as needed. Mathematical equations are another standout feature. OnlyOffice supports a wide range of symbols, fractions, radicals, integrals, and more, making it ideal for academic or technical documents. Under the Forms tab, you can add fields for email addresses, phone numbers, images, and more. If you need to hide sensitive information, OnlyOffice includes a redact feature. Simply highlight the text you want to conceal, apply redaction, and that information will be hidden in the final document. Collaboration is easy too. You can add comments, highlight sections, erase annotations, and even insert approval stamps. Just drag and position the stamp wherever you need it. OnlyOffice also supports plugins for extended functionality. You can search for and install plugins to further enhance your PDF editing experience. Additionally, OnlyOffice offers AI-powered features. Under the AI tab, you can chat with your documents, translate text, or use OCR, optical character recognition, to extract text from scanned documents. To use these AI features, you'll need to select an AI model, enter your API key, and specify your intended use, such as text creation, image generation, or embeddings. Once set up, you can use AI for summarization, translation, text analysis, chatbots, image generation, and more. In summary, OnlyOffice is a powerful, free tool for editing PDF files. While most PDF editors require a paid subscription for advanced features, OnlyOffice provides a comprehensive suite of tools at no cost. Give it a try using the link in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and stay connected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.